The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra made a big impact when it debuted earlier this year. However, now that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 has arrived, can it outshine the Galaxy S24 Ultra? The Galaxy Z Fold 6 faces tougher competition in the foldable phone market, so Samsung needs to step up its game. With a sleeker design and enhanced integration of new Galaxy Eye features, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 appears to be a strong contender to take the title of the best Samsung phone overall from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. For those who prioritize screen real estate, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a top contender with its 6.3-inch outer screen that unfolds to reveal a 7.6-inch inner display, boasting impressive specs like 2600 nits maximum brightness and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Samsung is touting an enhanced gaming experience with ray tracing support on the Z Fold 6. On the other hand, the S24 Ultra may not be as large, but its 6.82-inch AMOLED screen also offers up to 2600 nits brightness and a 120 Hz refresh rate, making it a delight for everyday use. The design philosophy of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy S24 Ultra diverges significantly. While one focuses on perfecting Samsung's foldable phone concept, the other represents the culmination of candy bar phone evolution over the years. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 introduces improvements over its predecessors, such as a reinforced hinge, lighter build, armor aluminum construction, and a more squared-off design for enhanced ergonomics. Despite these advancements, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 still grapples with a noticeable display crease, a challenge that Samsung continues to address. In contrast, the Galaxy S24 Ultra flaunts a titanium body with a nearly flat design and slightly curved edges for better handling. Notably, the S24 Ultra stands out by including an S Pen silo, offering the stylus out of the box, a feature that sets it apart from other devices. While the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will also support an S Pen, users will need to purchase it separately and may require the corresponding official case for storage. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is fully protected from the elements thanks to an IP68 certification. While foldable phones usually don't get a dust-proof specification, they can be fully protected against water. That's precisely the case with the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which has an IP48 rating. This means it is waterproof but only dust-resistant to some extent. The camera setup on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 remains consistent with its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 4, featuring a 50 megapixels main camera, a 10 megapixels telephoto with 3x optical zoom, and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera. However, potential software improvements could enhance the overall photography experience. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts an impressive camera configuration, including a 200 megapixels main camera, a 50 megapixels telephoto with 5x optical zoom, a 10 megapixels telephoto with 3x magnification, and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens. Notably, the Galaxy S24 Ultra lacks a true 10x periscope lens, but the 50 megapixels 5x telephoto lens offers exceptional optical quality. While Samsung's foldable devices have not traditionally prioritized camera performance, it may be unrealistic to anticipate a significant leap in camera quality from the Galaxy Z Fold 6 compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Nevertheless, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to deliver excellent photo and video capabilities, surpassing other foldable phones in the market. Despite the Galaxy Z Fold 6's respectable camera setup, the Galaxy S24 Ultra remains the top choice for users seeking the best camera phone from Samsung. Only direct comparisons through rigorous testing will confirm whether the Galaxy S24 Ultra truly outshines the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in terms of camera performance. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 system-on-chip, designed with a focus on AI capabilities. Our testing of the Galaxy S24 Ultra revealed a notable increase in performance compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, along with improved power efficiency. Surprisingly, in certain benchmarks, it even outperformed Apple's top mobile processors. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 also boasts the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, indicating similar performance levels to the S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 series, particularly the Ultra model, showcases innovative Galaxy Eye features like Circle to Search, real-time translations, and AI-driven photo editing tools. These features have since been integrated into other recent Galaxy flagship devices, such as the Galaxy Z Fold 5, through the ONUI 6.1 update. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 debuts with a comprehensive suite of Galaxy Eye functionalities, along with new additions like the Sketch-to-Image tool and Portrait Studio, enhancing user experience with creative tools. Samsung ensures consistent software support for both the S24 Ultra and Z Fold 6, committing to providing 7 years of software updates and security patches. This long-term support guarantees that users can enjoy the latest features and enhancements on their devices for an extended period, making the Galaxy S24 Ultra and Z Fold 6 reliable choices for tech enthusiasts seeking longevity and performance. Samsung's latest foldable phone once again features a 4400 mAh battery, similar to its predecessors, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 4. While the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip promises improved energy efficiency, it may not result in a significantly better battery life compared to the previous models. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a larger 5000 mAh battery, offering impressive endurance but falling short of being a true 2-day phone. Despite this, the phone can easily last a full day even with heavy usage, excelling in various tests such as web browsing, video streaming, and 3D gaming. In terms of charging capabilities, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 supports up to 25 watts wired charging, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra features faster 45 watts wired charging. Both devices offer fast wireless and reverse wireless charging options, ensuring convenient and efficient charging experiences for users. The Galaxy S24 Ultra hit the market with a higher price tag this year, starting at $1,299 for the 256 gig space model. It's one of the priciest flagship phones out there, especially for a non-folding model. But if you're talking about expensive phones, Samsung's foldable ones usually take the cake. The previous generation Galaxy Z Fold 5 was priced at $1,799, but the new version has bumped it up even further to $1,899. That's a $100 increase for the Fold as well. The Galaxy S24 Ultra made its debut in January 2024, which is an unusually early release for Samsung's flagship phones. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 also had an early launch, as Samsung aimed to release its foldable before the start of the Paris Olympics on July 26. The new foldable will officially be available on July 24. Now, when comparing the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it really boils down to your preference for either the S24 Ultra's camera or the innovative foldable design of the Z Fold 6. Samsung has taken a more conservative approach with the Z Fold 6, focusing on refining and adapting their foldable technology. The standout feature here is the integration of Galaxy AI, which is definitely appealing unless the price is a deal breaker for you. Considering that the S24 Ultra is $600 cheaper, the price tag is a major factor to consider. If you prioritize camera quality, the Galaxy S24 Ultra might be the better option since there haven't been significant improvements to the Z Fold 6 camera setup. While the AI features on Samsung's foldables are impressive, you don't necessarily have to opt for the Z Fold 6 to enjoy them, as Samsung has made these features available on other devices as well. One device represents the bold and futuristic foldable technology, while the other embodies the traditional and conservative smartphone design of the past. Both devices cater well to power users, but the Z Fold 6 targets those who are intrigued by foldable tech, whereas the S24 Ultra appeals more to those who prefer the classic smartphone design. Price-wise, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 comes with a heftier price tag, starting at $1,899, which is $100 more than its predecessor. In this light, the Galaxy S24 Ultra seems like the more practical choice. So, what are your thoughts on both the devices? Which one do you think is the better choice for your daily life? Share it down below in the comments section, and for more updates, do check out our channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.